Valrhona chocolate.
Just the best.
Chicken stock for 120 people. Loads of chicken stock.
Stracciatella and chocolate. Italian way. Let's try.
Deswegen also das gesamte Team mit mir. Wir danken euch, dass ihr heute Abend unsere Einladung angenommen habt. Wünschen und alles gut zum Geburtstag Valrhona. Danke.
It's chicken aspic with yellow pepper cherry.
I prepare a stuffed chicken wings filled with cheese cream. It's deboned, but as the coating we use confits.
We wanted to celebrate the 1 century anniversary of Valrhona. And so we think of a whole menu all about chicken, called the nose to tail.
Today, the mission of Valrhona is to have a positive impact all along the value chain. And this festival is going to take place in 8 cities. And actually, the goal is each country choose talented chefs in their country, and in teams, they cook a meal about one specific theme.
There's a chicken consommé on the side. You have some rustical sausage. There's the mix. It's mostly chicken breast, some double cream, mustard seeds, marjoram, coriander seeds, black pepper.
We took all the feet from all the chickens that we work with today, deep fry it, and now we dip it in chocolate and sprinkle with a little bit of dried raspberry powder. It's somehow in our DNA and in our philosophy not to waste anything and to be creative.
Happy birthday!
Die Idee war heute, eine Torte oder eine Kuchen zu machen, die sehr personalisiert ist. Logo eigentlich würde ich sagen, unsere Valrhona Blume kreiert. Wir haben ein zartes Schokoladenbiscuit, wir haben eine Schokoladenmousse, ein Cremeux mit Commentou, wir haben ein dreierlei Zitrusfrucht-Confit, eine Zitronengelee und eine namelaka mit Tahiti Vanille.
Now, are you able to stand on your chairs? Can you jump on your chairs? See, fantastic. And now a huge standing ovation, Anton, Dennis, Isabel and Paul.